rising to all the kings and queens out there. Listen, I just got done doing some content, and let me tell y'all something, man. I've already been building up momentum going into 2021, but I kid y'all not, from the start of 2021, y'all gonna get this heat. Y'all's mindset, if I can help it, is gonna be in a new spot. I know 2020's been rough, it's been negative for a lot of people, but 2021, man, this is the birth, right? This is that beautiful newborn baby, man, I'm telling you. So from the start of 2021, it's gonna be fire, it's gonna be amazing. But I just want to tell y'all one thing and one thing only. Those ideas that you have, they do you no good if they stay as ideas, and if they don't at some point become, things in real life, if they don't manifest themselves into real things, if your dreams only stay as those dreams in your head, they do you no good. All I'm telling you is, I'm not saying that having ideas is a bad thing. No, that's not what I'm saying at all. But what I'm saying is, what's the point of having ideas if you have no intention of putting those plans into action? If you have no plans of building a blueprint so those things can become real, what's the point? That's the first step, having the idea, having the dream. Now the next step, or the next steps, should be, what can I do to make sure that this thing becomes real? Whether it's just for yourself or for your family, your friends, your loved ones, for the world, you need to put things into action. All right. Hopefully y'all have a super fantastic day today. I just want to tell y'all that. Come on here real quick, and y'all comment. Let me know. Am I wrong? Do all we need is just to have ideas and just wait for those things to come real and we're not working for it? I don't know, man. But make sure those ideas become real, man. Let's